Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to copy a link of a Facebook page. It's a very simple tutorial. So if you appreciate me doing this video, make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and also comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever. Let's get right into it. You want to click on the three dashes at the bottom right corner right here on an iOS device. On an Android device, it should be at the top, and from there you can see your pages if you just click on the pages button right here. Click on it with me right now, and when you are there you can see different pages that you're a part of. So let's choose this one. One sec. It should bring you here, and you can choose this one, the Dr. Nikki page. This is my page, and here at the top you have different options. You want to go to the right and click on more, and more, if you go down below, it says copy page link, and here it is, and you can even share it to your profile, or obviously you don't want to do that, but you probably want to share it to your Viber, Telegram, whatever. If this video helped you out, give it a like. See you in the next video.